Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying your device details and freeing up space. This prevents mid-install failures. Once done, enable installation from unknown sources for the browser you'll use because the Play Store APK comes from a direct package. Make sure to back up photos and settings before proceeding, since system components may change. Now, open your browser and search for the Play Store APK name. Choose a recent build. You're already in motion. The next slide shows the download and safe install steps. You'll download 3 APKs: Google Services Framework, Play Services, and the Play Store itself. Each has a specific job, so order matters. Once downloaded, install the Services Framework first. This lets the system recognize Google account components. Next, install Play Services. It provides APIs for apps. Then install the Play Store. During installs, accept runtime permissions when prompted, because denying them breaks functionality. Once all are installed, reboot the device to finalize integration. After reboot, you'll sign in and sync. You finish by opening the Play Store and signing into your Google account. Allow account sync so apps and purchases appear. If you hit errors, clear cache and data for both Play Store and Google Play Services, then reboot. This often fixes sign-in loops. If crashes persist, check that the APK architecture matches your device, ARM versus ARM64, and reinstall matching versions. Finally, make sure Play Services version is compatible with your Android release. If not, try a slightly older build. That resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.